Understanding Handicapped Parking, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into an important aspect of daily life and language: handicapped parking. This is a topic you've likely seen in parking lots but might not have thought deeply about its significance and the rules surrounding it. By understanding this, you'll not only enhance your English vocabulary but also learn about an important societal consideration. Handicapped parking refers to parking spaces specifically reserved for individuals with disabilities. These spots are designed to provide closer access to buildings and facilities, making it easier for those with mobility challenges to access the places they need to go. Key features of handicapped parking include larger spaces to accommodate vehicles with wheelchairs and the universal accessibility symbol, which is a blue sign with a white wheelchair icon. Handicapped parking isn't just about convenience. It's a critical accessibility feature. It ensures that individuals with disabilities have equal access to public and private spaces, which is a fundamental right. By respecting these parking spaces, we contribute to a more inclusive and supportive community for everyone. Every country or region has its own specific laws regarding handicapped parking, but some common rules include: a special permit is required to park in these spaces. This permit is usually displayed on the vehicle's dashboard or hung from the rearview mirror. Fines for unauthorized use are typically steep, aiming to deter misuse and ensure that these spaces remain available for those who truly need them. Designated areas are clearly marked with the accessibility symbol and are located as close as possible to entrances. Respecting handicapped parking spaces is simple but impactful. Here are a few guidelines. Never park in a handicapped space unless you have a valid permit. Report misuse of these spaces if you witness it. Be mindful of not blocking access to handicapped parking spaces, even if you're not parking in one. Understanding and respecting handicapped parking is an essential part of being a considerate and informed member of society. We hope this video has shed light on the importance of these parking spaces and how they support our community members with disabilities. Remember, a little empathy and understanding can go a long way. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.